In this video, we will explore the decision properties of regular languages. This involves delving into algorithmic questions related to decidability and computational properties inherent in regular languages. Decision properties are questions about properties of regular languages that can be answered with a simple yes or no. Decidability refers to problems that possess algorithmic solutions that can be computed in a finite number of steps. Here are some key decision problems related to regular languages. First, the emptiness problem, which asks, is the language L equal to the empty set? Second, the infiniteness problem. Is the language L infinite? Third, the membership problem. Is a given string W a member of language L? Fourth, the equivalence problem. Are two languages L1 and L2 equal? And fifth, the containment problem. Is language L1 a subset of language L2? Let's consider the emptiness problem. Is the language L of automaton A empty? Here's the algorithm to determine this. First, mark all reachable states from the start state. Second, check if any final state is reachable. Third, return yes if no final state is reachable. The complexity of this algorithm is on the order of n plus m, where n is the number of states and m is the number of transitions. Now let's look at the membership problem. Is the string W a member of the language L of automaton A? The algorithm is as follows. Start from the initial state. Then process each symbol in the string W. Follow the transitions accordingly. Finally, check if the final state reached is an accepting state. The complexity of this algorithm is on the order of the length of W. It is linear in the length of the input string. Let's explore the infiniteness problem. Is the size of the language L of automaton A infinite? A key insight here is that a language is infinite if and only if there exists a cycle reachable from the start state that can reach an accepting state. Here's the algorithm. First, find all strongly connected components. Second, check if any strongly connected component contains cycles. Third, verify reachability from the start state and to the final states. Let's examine the equivalence problem. Is the language L of automaton A1 equal to the language L of automaton A2? The approach here is that language L1 is equal to language L2 if and only if the union of the difference between L1 and L2 and the difference between L2 and L1 is empty. In other words, we use the symmetric difference. The algorithm is as follows. Construct A1 intersection A2 complement. Then construct A1 complement intersection A2. Then take the union of both and finally test for emptiness. In summary, all of the decision problems we discussed are decidable for regular languages. Regular languages have efficient algorithms for all major decision problems. The time complexity is polynomial. Key techniques used include graph algorithms on automata, set operations, and closure properties. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.